Do you want to know how you can log into your Brightwheel provider account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to 1-2-Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Brightwheel provider account. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for Brightwheel provider login. Click on the second link which appears and it will take you to this official page of Brightwheel. Go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right hand corner. Now what you need to do is write down your username, which is your email or your phone number, and the password associated with your Brightwheel provider. After writing your username and your password, click sign in. This way you can successfully sign in or log into your Brightwheel provider account. If you don't have an account yet, go ahead and click on this link and create a Brightwheel account for yourself. And if you have forgotten your password and want to recover it, go ahead and click forgot password. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.